Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can use HSBC UK Bank's app. Alright, so it's pretty simple and you can easily download it from your Play Store or App Store. After you download it, it's going to look just like this. And remember, if you are in a country where HSBC Bank is not available, then its app is also not going to be available in your Play Store and App Store as well. So the first thing is you need to be on the country where your HSBC Bank is available, then only you can download its app. Once you download its app, you can click on I accept the digital terms and condition. It basically means it's asking you to agree to its terms and service before using its app. Clicking continue. Once you do that, it's gonna open up just like this saying welcome. And if you guys already have an account, you can click on log on now to log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, then you can click on register for mobile and online banking. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can register for its online banking account and for mobile banking as well. You just need to provide all the information it asks you, alright? So after providing all the information it asks you, you should be able to be registered for its mobile and online banking account. And to log in into your, HSBC Bank, you need to have your username and your passport answer and your passport over here as well. So passport answer is a question which you guys have set up. So let me just show you guys. Log on now. It's going to take you to its login page. So you need to enter your username over here. After you enter your username, if it is correct, on the next step, it's going to ask you to enter like a memorable passport. After enter a memorable passport, basically, it's going to ask you to enter the actual passport of your account and it's done. But since I don't have an account right now, I can't move forward and they have locked me from moving forward. All right. So basically, that's what it is. But if you guys found our video helpful on how you guys can, use HSBC UK Bank's app, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. And yeah, the other way to download HSBC UK Bank's app, if it is not available on your Play Store, is to go to Google and search for HSBC UK APK download. And it's going to give you an APK folder. You can download and install it on your phone. That's what I did because HSBC Bank is not available in my country. All right.